Hi, this is Siamak again. Today I am going to talk to you about how to clean your file after you finish your project or the other time that you need to make sure that you clean up your AutoCAD drawing file. As you see here right now, I already opened your assignment 2, which was a floor plan and elevation, and we already inserted some components to this drawing. What I will do, I will go ahead and then delete a few uh, furnitures from my drawing. I'm also removing some layers or some components from my drawing. I deleted the canopy or roof line, and I will go to the file layer setting, and then I change all the non-continuous line types like hidden to continuous. So I change hidden and hidden to continuous. So what you see here right now in my layer property manager or layer window, I don't have any hidden or hidden to line type. I haven't used any of those. And if I go to insert, so although I deleted those furnitures from my drawing, if I go to the insert, I still see my chair and my coffee table and love seat and sofa, which means that beside deleting those blocks from your drawing, you also need to do something else to clean up your drawing. If you go to the application menu, from application menu, drawing utilities, you have a few tools that I'm going to talk about today. The first one is purge command, which removes unused named items such as block definition and layers from your drawing. It will also delete any text style, dimension style that you haven't used, you created but you haven't used, or you brought from other drawing, and it will eliminate some unused line types such as hidden and hidden to, which I already changed them to the continuous in my drawing. From application menu, drawing utilities, and then purge. Don't worry about using purge at the end of your project, because what it does, it doesn't affect your drawing at all. What it does, it only detects items that not used in your drawing. So anything that you haven't used, such as blocks, again your layers, line type, and all other components or items that you haven't used, they're going to be detected by AutoCAD. As you see here, your chair here is chair, love seat, table, or any other block you eliminated. In my layers, I have my canopy layer that I deleted, as well as two hidden and hidden to line type. I have two choices here. I can either right click on each item group and purge that group only, or I can right click on that item only. Sofa, I can get rid of sofa only, I keep everything else. And you get this verification that if you really want to purge that block, you can say skip, or you can purge item. So as you see here, all other items are still there. The only item is gone is the sofa that I choose. Or you can go ahead and then purge all. The other thing you may want to do is to check purge nested items. Nested items are block inserted within other blocks that are not used or deleted, but as long as you don't purge nested blocks, they're going to be in your drawing and they affect your drawing. I check all purge nested blocks and then go purge all. Again, AutoCAD asks you about every single one, because what we did here, we checked confirm each item to be purged. You can go ahead and then say purge all, and then now you don't have any of those items in your drawing anymore. I don't have my canopy layer in my layers. I don't have any hidden and hidden to line type, and I also don't have any furniture that I already removed from my drawing, such as sofa, love seat, and coffee table. It is recommended to do this purge command at the end of each project. Before you submit your assignment, it's always good to clean up your drawing. The best thing you can do to clean up your drawing at the end of your project, it affects your file size drastically sometimes because you keep bringing objects from outside, drag and drop in your drawing, and then at the end of the project you need to clean up your drawing. The other command you may want to use, or you should use, anytime you get a drawing from an unknown source, you need to audit that drawing. Basically, in the beginning of each project, if you are getting drawing from anybody that you haven't created that file, is wise to go through, again, application menu, go through drawing utilities and use audit. What AutoCAD does with audit tool, it fixes your file errors. And AutoCAD asks you for permission. It says fix any errors detected. You can say yes or no. I would say yes in this case. AutoCAD will check your drawing twice. I press F2 to go to the text window. As you see here, AutoCAD already checked 1800 objects audited, and then it happened in two passes, pass 1 and pass 2. At the end of the day, AutoCAD audited 87 blocks. Didn't detect any error and fixed it. But if it detected any error, it would fix it because you said yes to that, and then after that, when you finish this one, you can save your drawing and then you should be okay that all the errors are fixed. You will use audit command anytime you get a drawing from unknown source or from any drawing or document that you haven't created. In the beginning of your project, you do purge at the end of your project, and if you had any unexpected application shutdown, sometimes you have a power outage or your computer crash, and then you have unexpected shutdown in application right in the middle of your working process. So it's better to use recover after you open that file again. A few times, or most of the time, it happens automatically as soon as you try to open a file that is already corrupted. You can use recovery or recover. Just click here and then choose recover, and you can select any file that you don't know if it's corrupted or not. Sometimes when you open a drawing, you get that message that the file is corrupted, and then the first thing you do, you go to the application toolbar from drawing utilities, you go to the recover, and then you choose the file that you think or AutoCAD couldn't find it or couldn't open it because it's corrupted. As you see here in this drawing file was recovered and error were found and then fixed. It find two errors and then fixed two, and then one object is erased because of the error it find in this file. And if I zoom out in this drawing, you will realize that it's the same drawing, but I had some corruption in my drawing, and there are some unknown objects here. As you see here, there are some unknown objects that they cause my drawing crash, and now it's back. And again, after you bring everything back, you go back again to the drawing utilities, do the purge again before you close your application or close your file. Make sure that there is nothing. As you see here, there is an audit block, which is an automatic block created by AutoCAD. Anytime you use audit, you can now go ahead and then purge all unused item, and now your drawing is clean. Again, anytime you are facing any problem with the file, you can always audit your file in the beginning of the working process if you get your file from somebody else. You can purge your file at the end of your project, and then you can use recover, which repair a damaged drawing file or a corrupted file if you have any unexpected shutdown in your application. I hope this part of our course was useful for you. Hope to see you soon again in next session. Have a good day. Bye.